healthy friends, and welcome to another episode of Fit Life in Africa with me, Chero. Professional football club Wrexham AFC has recently hosted a men's suicide and self-harm prevention workshop to help men break the silence. The event was coordinated by Help You. Help You is a mental health hub for men in Wales with the main aim of creating a safe space for offering support and valuable resources to those in need. It was launched on World Suicide Prevention Day by father and son Ian and Jake Smith. The workshop was a big success. Many men attended to learn about mental health and find ways to cope with their struggles. Wrexham AFC's involvement brought more attention to this issue, showing that even famous athletes care about mental health. Wrexham AFC has a large fan base worldwide, and their support of mental health initiatives has inspired many people. Their partnership with Help You has encouraged many men to seek help and talk about their feelings, which is a huge step forward in breaking the stigma around mental health and promoting a more open and supportive community. As I bid you goodbye, please remember that your mental health is just as important as your physical health. Reach out to the necessary channels for help today. Please share this video to spread awareness. I will see you in the next episode.